Hi, I'm Rakesh Biswas from India. My project was developing of self-research and development group in India, and the project was iCert. And I was granted from UTEM International Movement in 2012. Basic vision of that project is to develop the self-mobilized group in India. Like whatever waste which we are getting from the college, like plastic waste, paper waste, electronic waste, and we have to transform into different new innovative product. Like from paper we mesh it up and make a kind of paper dustbin. From paper we can make a paper bags. So this innovation and this kind of a leadership program which we have developed across in India, we started from Graphicera University, my parent university, Graphicera. Thereafter we started in DTU, Delhi Technological University, Doon University. There are numerous universities which we have expanded this kind of a concept which we gain grant from youth time. But during my college time, I always had a vision that if you have an NGO, right, means NGO you can run it kind of a bigger time, because you require a very good sponsor and you have to be self-sustained. So as soon as I passed my college in 2015, and I got a very big package from Siemens Corporation in United States in Houston as a project manager. I got a $1 million USD package for 1 year, but I left that and refused that job because my vision was to empower youth time as well as iCert, because I have a faith in my mind that the ideas which I have in my mind, and if we implement that idea, it will change humankind as well as a kind of a model of the country. And currently we have our own NGO which iCert is running up. We have an NGO in SMS Hospital in Rajasthan, where we feed each and every day 500 people. We feed 500 people from evening 5 to 6 p.m. in the evening every day. As a part of a Youth Time Grant, Youth Time Grant has literally supported me, because I was from a very poor family and I was from an army family. We are a kind of a lower middle class family in India, and that grant helped me to nourish me and provide me a kind of a very much a good leadership position in the market. And everything as soon as I came to Jaipur and I met with Aarti madam, Aarti ma'am, she is the MD of the company, managing director of this company, and me and Aarti ma'am came up and joined together and come up with this great initiative which you are seeing right now, a kind of a very enlarged company which started from a kind of a very scratch. Scratchly means we don't have an office, we don't have nothing, and we initiated from a kind of a zero, and we come up into a kind of millions right now. So this is a very new innovative technology which our company has developed. So in this technology, solar panel, light, battery, everything is inbuilt. So this is a product which is generally used for solar street lightings. Means as soon as it's a evening time, whenever the sun set, the light will glow. As soon as it will be morning time, it will automatically day to dusk function. It has a sensor based day to dusk function, right? So this is one of the technology which we have developed. This is solar inbuilt camera street light. In this technology, it's a kind of a camera based technology with a solar based module and everything. This technology, a kind of a robust product. This product you can implement anywhere. Means you can put this product in kind of any part of the world, and you have a cell phone. From the cell phone you can easily see the whatever camera recordings are there. Means you don't have to go to anywhere. These are the different kind of a gardens, solar garden lights which we have developed. You have a solar panel at the front, you have a light, and battery is inbuilt in this product. Just you have to put it out in the ground and everything will work out. We had tie-up with the government banks in India, and we have developed a kind of a solar panel. It's a kind of a solar panel with a kind of advertisement board. It's a very new and unique concept in the world where we are totally generating electricity with the help of solar panel with a kind of a lithium ion base, and all the things are made in a kind of advertisement board. very innovating product which we have developed right now for Indian Army, as well as kind of the places like for mountainous ranges or thing. We have developed a kind of a wind turbines. This has a wind turbine and with solar panels. This technology developed 24 hours of electricity. Means you don't have any shortage of electricity. Means 24 hours you can generate electricity, you can produce electricity, and you can supply electricity to the government. When I started this company in 2015, I just have a single light which I have made it, and me and Aarti ma'am used to go in a car or a scooter. We used to go to the different government department. Like, this is my light, you see that light, and this light has this feature, that feature. It will help you to minimize electricity bill and all sort of things. Means me and we both used to go to the different places and just do the marketing of the product. And right now we are expanding in many parts of the world. Like we are expanding toward Korea, we are expanding toward Malaysia, China, as well as expanding in Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, as our international partners are there who are supplying our product in their country.
Rakesh is a very young and he's a dynamic personality. He belongs to a very poor family. And if a poor family boy can do anything, that's really motivate to others. And he's not a manager, he's a leader basically. Manager, I'm a manager. I'm managing the show, but he is a leader.
With my background, I am a forest officer retired from government services. I wanted to share my experiences with the people, and I wanted a project made here with green energy. My stress was with green energy project. I was searching for people who work in solar and wind energy. I came through internet to know about these people, and I contacted him. He visited our place. He appreciated the idea, and he started work with me. Those are the panels, solar panels they have installed on the rooftop. Dairy, cow dairy for milk. We are planning to have cows here to have organic milk for the project and for the public also.
I imagine this project as in 5 years to be a big corporate world where we can develop technologies like in robotics, in artificial intelligence, and the all kind of trending technology, plus also bringing AI with renewable technology. We are trying to bring this concept and trying to involve such a team members who can take us forward to this vision, and I really hope that we could be the best in India currently now. In India, we want to be the best company here in the renewable technology sector and the clean tech technology sector.
Welcome to Sambar. This is our project site, and this project site is one of the largest cycle track which has been built by our company, as well as with the support of Rajasthan tourism. We have developed a kind of a cycle track of 5 kilometers, and this is the Asia's largest cycle track, and we have implemented our solar renewable street light. And the uniqueness of this project is that we didn't have implemented any of the wires, we didn't have implemented any of the electronic connections. Everything is working with the help of solar. Everyone needs it because electricity is a very major source right now, and everyone needs a free electricity because electricity is very much costly in every country. Like in India, the basic tariff rate of electricity is 9 rupees. It's very costly. So everyone needs solar panels, solar energy, and wind energy for safe and sustainable electricity. So that's why my project got very much good recognition and very good success, because the innovations which I have developed in my project, and every day I make new innovations. Means if I told to my team also that whatever ideas you have, whatever idea and whatever things you have in your mind. Just implement and making new technology. So this is my message to all the people. Means you just have to be sincere, you just have to be determined, you just have to be very much hard work, and you just to be very much passionate. So these 4 things you have to was and believe in God. If you have this 5 thing in your hand, you can do anything in your life. You can expand anything. Nobody will stop you to expand the thing. You just have to expand like infinity.